Hello everyone, this is Jeremy Levitt with your monthly real estate and lending update. This month I've got good news for you pretty much across the board. Some quick highlights on the lending side. Interest rates have gone way down. We're back into the 3% range for conventional, FHA, VA. Pretty much all the loan programs are back down into the threes. This is great news for those buyers that are coming into the market. Obviously great news for you folks that might want to refinance. So give me a call if you need information on any of that. Other good news is that FHA's lowered their mortgage insurance premium and conventionals brought back their 3% down program. All of these pieces are going to be meaning that this year, 2015, is going to be a great year for buyers coming into our market. That's the flip side. On real estate, we've had strong sales over the last couple of months, but what we're anticipating in 2015 is a flood of those boomerang buyers. The folks that had foreclosures, short sales, bankruptcies, all those things over the last 7 years. About 70,000 of those pieces are going to mature this year. So those are new buyers that could be buying in our market. We anticipate that to mean a lot of new buyer potential for us here in 2015. When you add in the strong rates, you add in the low down payment options, we expect it should be nice and heavy. So if you're looking to sell your home this year, chances are it's going to be relatively low inventory because there's going to be quite a few buyers out there and you should have the opportunity to sell it. On the flip side, if you're going to be making a move up or still moving here around town, you're going to have a few more folks to compete with, so just keep that in mind if you're making the move. Love to help you out with absolutely anything, so give me a call, 480-744-6040. Thanks.